Hey guys, and welcome back to Whitney's Wednesdays. Today, I have a very special guest visiting while I make this video, and that is my dog. Hi, Winter. Aww, she's probably just gonna be back there sleeping, so hope you don't mind. But today, I'm getting ready to go over to my friend's house for a barbecue, and I thought I had the time just to sit down and make a video with you guys. I got my inspiration from my outfit today. My shorts, they're super cute. I'll post a little picture here so you can see what I'm talking about. They're really pretty. I got them from a thrift shop for like $4, and I love them. So, love my outfit today, so I just thought I'm going to use the inspiration from my shorts to create this look. It's going to be kind of like sunset kind of vibe with the orange and yellows that are in it, so stay tuned and we'll get right into it. So I really want this to be like a bright, vivid kind of eyeshadow look, so I'm going in with my Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm starting with this yellow shade. And that shade name is called Creamsicle. So I am going to take a large fluffy brush and dip into that, and this is going to be kind of like my transition shade, but I really want it to pop underneath the other colors I'm going to put on top of it, so I'm really going to drag it up over my eyebrow bone. So starting in the crease, really thickly applying this, I'm going to make this bright and vivid as possible, and then I'm also kind of bringing it up here on my brow bone. Alrighty, I got the yellow color applied to my crease. Make sure to really work on that to make sure you blend all the way out so there's no harsh edges. So we're going on to the next color, which is this really bright red, kind of orange shade. It's called Hunts. Same Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm going with more of like a skinnier, fluffy brush just because it is a more pigmented color. And I'm going to go into the crease, just kind of dab it in there, and windshield wiper back and forth. And I'm going to go wide and blend it out only on the outer corner. Okay, and just before I go into the next color, I am going to go back with that first fluffy brush that we used and just make sure that it blends evenly with the first yellow color we used. Winter is on high alert right now. She's watching me do my makeup with me. Aww. Anyways, on to the third shade. I am bringing out my Jeffree Star Blood Sugar palette. We are dipping into the color Cherry Soda. Oh, there's a little reflection there. Goodness, I can't not wait to get better lighting. Anyways, we're dipping into that. We're going to use that same skinny fluffy brush. I am applying this to my outer lid, if that makes sense. Ooh, she's pigmented. Tap her off a little bit. So I'm applying it right on my outer lid, blending it into the crease area. Alright, as you can tell, it's a very pigmented shade. Don't worry about if it looks really messy on the lid. Really, the most important part is it is blended on the rest of the colors. So I'm taking that big fluffy brush from the beginning. I'm just wiping it back and forth, making sure all those colors melt together. I am going to go back in with the Hunts shade that we used for our second color, just because I think it kind of got taken away when we applied the red color. So I am just going to bring this on the inner corner of my crease, just kind of windshield wiper back and forth. Next, I'm going in with Kat Von D's Metal Matte palette. This is the shade Feather. It's this pale yellow shade. I'm going to pick that up with a fluffy angled brush, and I'm going to apply that right in the inner corner, kind of towards my eyebrow bone, and kind of just blend and mesh the colors that are already there, just to give the look a little more of an ombre effect. And I'm going to bring it all the way underneath my eyebrow bone. Alrighty, never be too afraid to go back in with a lighter shade. I know, start building your eyeshadow look and you're going darker and darker, never be afraid to go back in with a lighter shade. It can really diffuse some colors and really help blend it out. Now I'm going to go in with a flat crease brush, and we are going to get some concealer, and I'm going to carve out my lid, and yeah, let's see how this goes. I'm not a professional at the cut crease quite yet, so watch and learn. That's a lot. Okay, I got my cut crease kinda okay. I'm still not 100% best at it. Really the main point is being able to just kind of get this like half moon kind of going here, because I do kind of want my edges to be a little more blended. Kind of the main purpose of a cut crease and putting concealer on is so you have kind of like a fresh new canvas to start with, because there were so many other eyeshadow colors to start with. Especially with like metallic shades, it's going to make it a lot easier to be able to have that stick to a new blank canvas, so to say. I cannot find my freaking palette that I was going to use. Oh, there it is. Okie dokie. So I am going in with Urban Decay. I'm not quite sure what this is. I'm just going to show you it's this. I can't pronounce it. I know it's an artist's name. This came out. He had a whole crazy looking collection about like all the art that he does, and it was pretty nifty. I got it on sale and I enjoyed the colors that was in it, so I'm going in with this gold color here. It is called Crown, and I'm going to use my finger just because it is a metallic shade. I feel like it's easier to pick up the finger and pat it on your eye, and I'm going exactly where that cut crease is. Ooh, there she is. She's right. And tapping it on. Okay, I got my yellow shade applied. I also kind of put it underneath, right where the inner corner of my eyeball is, just kind of give that highlighting effect. Now this is a little harsh, so I'm going to go back with a skinny fluffy brush, going in with that second color we use, Hunts, and going over the red color we use, Jeffree Star, just so it's not just a harsh red to yellow, and try to blend it out with that crease shade we use. So barely just going to pat over the yellow, kind of going back and forth motions, nothing too harsh. And because we want these two colors to blend really well, I not only went in with the red shade, now I'm going to go out with the golden shade. I'm using a flatter crease brush just because my finger won't do this justice. I'm only using kind of like the tip of it, not using the flat end. Tap off some of the excess, that was a lot. And just kind of go back and forth that other shade too. Okay, and I do want to apply one more shade just underneath my lid, kind of give it that all around smoky effect. So I'm going in again with that Hunt shade that we used for our second color, the really skinny flat stiff brush. And I'm just going to go right underneath my waterline and brush it back and forth. Now I know my shorts have the green stemmy look in it, but I feel like this look doesn't really need the green. I feel like it's gonna throw it off. I don't know, but the shorts are black, so I am going to apply a wing with black eyeliner. So I'm gonna apply that off camera because we know how that goes, and I'll be right back. Alrighty, so I also applied mascara off camera as well, and I did white eyeliner in my waterline. So eyes are pretty much done. Lastly, I'm going to go in with highlighter. This is Too Faced's Love Light, Blinded by the Light, and I'm just going to put that on my highlighted points. And for my lips, I'm going to do something a little more neutral just because my eye look is poppin'. I am going in with NYX Liquid Suede. These are my favorite lipsticks. We'll do another video about that. This is the color Sandstorm, and I'll apply this off camera too because I'm a hot mess when I'm trying to do anything that's precise. So, be right back. And that is it for the look today, guys. I really had fun making this. I always love doing colorful, crazy kind of eye looks. I just don't get to do it often. So I'm glad you watched. Please like, subscribe, share, whatever you like. Please come back for next Wednesday and we'll have a new look. So thanks again, and I'll see you next time. Bye.